I'm going to show you the least expensive way to turn on 32-bit float with your Mic 2 or Mic 3. For $15, depending on where you live, you can get this adapter that works for your phone. But if you use this, you can connect to the DJI Mic and not have to buy any of the other gear with it. So usually to be able to get 32-bit float on these, you need the receiver, which you can buy in a pair with this, which usually around $120 at the least to get the mic and the receiver. But this receiver you can buy for only $15. So if you already have a Mic 2 or Mic 3, all you have to do is get this $15 receiver, plug it into your phone, and have the Mimo app installed on it. So when you plug that in, turn your phone on, just click Go to Settings, and it'll show that your mic is flashing here. You just have to turn on the transmitter. Once it's on, it'll pair up with your receiver, and I'll show you how to pair this. I'll put a link to other video showing how to pair the two together. But once this is together like this, you just have to go in the settings. So it shows that these two are paired together. You go down to the bottom and you look for the TX settings. And you just click More. And then there's an option for 32-bit recording. You can turn on the 32-bit recording, and this will allow you to get a 32-bit recording with this without having to have the standard receiver to it. It's a much cheaper option. You can also set it in here to turn on a second mic track. So when you record it, it gives you some other settings in here, like your monitoring, turn it back and forth from stereo. And you can also set the safety track. You can turn it on and on with that. And the Mimo app will only let you do that if you have a camera receiver or you have this smaller phone receiver with it. And then that allows you to change all those settings in this without having to buy the more expensive receiver. So these are about $59 right now, about $15 if you live outside of the United States. In the US, you have to go through either eBay. I'll put a link below to the eBay links, and they're a little bit more expensive, less than $30 though. So it's a cheaper way out. You can use it to record directly to your phone. It's much smaller than that bigger RX receiver that you have to use. You know, some of these that just hang out of the bottom of your phone is a little bit big. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.